Presenting boAt Airdopes 441 true wireless earbuds that gives you high-performance audio experience on the go. On the go. The true wireless earbuds offer stereo calling feature for clear and crisp communication. It delivers up to 3.5 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and another 14 hours of backup from the included 500 mAh carry-cum-charge case. Airdopes 441 has been ergonomically and aesthetically designed for a comfortable fit. The secure fit earbuds remain intact and comfortably in place even when on the go. It is IPX6 rated for resistance against water and sweat. The TWS Airdopes 441 come equipped with 6mm drivers for immersive sound. It is equipped with Insta-Wake and Pair technology that powers on the earbuds and puts them into connection mode as soon as you open the lid of the carry case. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming. The earbuds come with capacitive touch controls with access to instant voice assistant by a single touch. Airdopes 441 is available in 5 color variants: Active Black, Bumblebee Yellow, Raging Red, Spirit Lime and Sporty Blue. Inside the box, you will get boAt Airdopes 441, charging case, 2 pairs of ear caps, charging cable and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
And also press this bell icon.